Hi friends, Kelly here again from the Lake County Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own bookmark. So to make our bookmark, we're going to need a plain piece of paper, a pencil, some scissors, a hole punch, duct tape, yarn, which is optional, and I'm using some decorative tape to add onto my bookmark later. I'm also going to be using a bookmark that I already have as a template, so I'm going to be tracing this on my paper to get the size that I want. So I'm going to set all of my things aside for now, and all I need are my paper, my bookmark, and my pencil. And I'm going to start by lining up my bookmark with the corner of the paper and just tracing the shape of the bookmark, like that. I'll put those aside, and now I'm going to cut my bookmark out. So now I have my bookmark shape cut out. I'm going to put my scissors aside, and I'm going to be working with white today, but you can use whatever color you'd like. And I'm going to start by unrolling my tape, and my edge isn't very clean, so I'm going to go ahead and cut a straight line across my tape so I have a nice clean edge to work with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a little bit of a lip over the edge of the paper here, so I can wrap it around on the other side. And I'm just going to line it up perfectly with the edge of my bookmark, like so. Flip it, and I'm going to continue on to the back side of my paper. And if you get a little bit of a bubble, that's okay, just kind of push it out with your fingers. So now I have a little bit of extra. You can either just go ahead and cut the edge of your bookmark, or cut here and do another row to fill the full sheet. I don't mind a skinnier bookmark, so I think I'm going to cut on my edge like so, and then I'm just going to cut along the edge of the bookmark to make mine a little bit skinnier, so that I don't need to use another row of tape. But again, that is completely up to you and how thick you want your bookmark to be. So here's mine. I got a little bit of extra tape on this side, so I'm just going to trim that off. There's my bookmark. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut a little bit off of the corners here. So this is going to be the top of my bookmark. I'm going to use this actually as a measure so that I have them pretty much even. So that's my bookmark. And so now what I'm going to do, this part is totally optional. You don't have to do it, but I think it's a little bit more fun. So I'm going to add a little bit of yarn. I chose this yellow color because it's my favorite. So I'm going to add a little tassel on the end of my bookmark. So what I'm going to do is get my scissors again, and I'm just gonna cut however long I think I want my tassel to be. And we're gonna be folding it in half to tie it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do probably this length. And I'm gonna grab my hole puncher, and we're gonna punch a hole through the top of our bookmark, right there. And I don't want this large chunk of yarn, so I'm actually gonna unravel it, pull it apart, and I'm just gonna use 1/2 of it. And I'm pinching it at the fold. I'm gonna go ahead and stick that through the hole. And rather than pulling it all the way through, I'm just gonna have my little loop here. And I'm gonna feed the yarn through that loop and pull so that it stays together, like so. And I'm gonna cut the ends so they're nice and even. Get rid of that. So now I have a bookmark. It's pretty plain, right? So I got some Fun Design washi tape, and I'm gonna add that in a design onto my bookmark. So now I've got my tape. I'm gonna find the edge. And I think I'm gonna do maybe 2 stripes on this side. So I'm gonna line up my tape here. And I think I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna fold it over. And the nice thing about washi tape is if you mess up, you can peel it back up and realign it if you don't like the way it was the first time. And I'm gonna cut the end so it's flush against my bookmark. And I'm gonna cut this edge here as well, so everything's nice and even. I think I'm actually just gonna leave 1 stripe because I really like the way that turned out. So here's my bookmark, and now it is ready to use. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have fun making a bookmark of your own. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.